If you ever find yourself wishing you could get paid to watch videos online, I've got some very good news: you can. Making money from watching videos is a lot easier than you might think. And, considering you'll likely be spending plenty of time watching films, clips, and ads online anyway, it's such an easy way to earn some extra money in your spare time. Make sure to watch till the very end, cause the number 5 is my favorite method and I will show you why. Before we start, please take note that you might not become a millionaire from watching videos, but I guarantee you that you'll make some decent amount of money with these methods. Without wasting your precious time, let's start. Number 1 method is to watch videos for money on Swagbucks. If you haven't already, we really recommend signing up to Swagbucks to start earning rewards for watching videos, surfing the web and completing paid online surveys. The types of videos you'll be shown on Swagbucks will vary, but you can expect plenty of short clips like ads, news content and viral videos. By watching videos on the site, you might not earn huge amounts of money or Swagbuck points, aka SB, but as it's such easy money, we definitely think it's worth trying. Plus, when you use Swagbucks alongside the other methods that I'll be sharing in a few minutes, your earnings will quickly add up. The second method is watching videos on Inbox Pounds. Inbox Pounds works in a similar way to Swagbucks, letting you earn cash for super simple things like watching videos and taking surveys. Again, you might not make big money on here, but the more tasks you do alongside watching videos, the more money you can make. Even reading Inbox Pounds deals emails or searching the internet on their search page can earn you cash. Number 3 method is taking part in paid psychological studies. If you're interested in taking part in psychological and behavioral studies, this could be a good way for you to make money from watching videos. The amount you can get paid in compensation for doing psychological studies will vary massively depending on the type of trial and how long it lasts, but you could receive as much as £100 plus for your time. But please note, we recommend only signing up for studies if you genuinely want to do them, rather than simply as a way of making money. Depending on the nature of the study, there's a potential for them to be emotionally or mentally challenging, so only take part in ones you're comfortable with. How to find psychological trials. As with all clinical trials, it's important to focus on trusted organizations when signing up for psychological studies. When looking for legitimate paid psychology trials, we recommend focusing on studies at universities. First, get in touch with the psychology department at your uni to see if there are any upcoming studies you could get involved in. This would be the best and easiest way to take part in one. But, if that's not possible, you could look into studies at other universities. To focus your search, try typing, university name, psychological trials into Google, as this should come up with the relevant page on the uni's website. There, you'll find callouts for study trial participants and guidance on how to apply. Or, you could always contact the university's psychology department directly, either on the phone or by email, to find out more about their upcoming studies. Often, universities will say that they are looking for the volunteers for the studies, but these opportunities will typically still include some form of compensation, either in cash or vouchers, for your time and expenses. For example, you can register as a participant for research studies on the University of Cambridge's website. Although they are asking for volunteers, they offer modest monetary compensation to people who take part. Not all studies are guaranteed to include videos, but keep an eye out for ones that suit you and your interests. The fourth method is to write subtitles for films as a freelancer. Particularly if you're looking to build up your CV with film-related experience, it's definitely worth thinking about writing subtitles for videos online on a freelance basis. Video content creators will often look for freelancers who can write up subtitles for their films, perhaps to make them more accessible for people with hearing loss, or to upload transcripts when posting YouTube videos. As subtitles and transcripts can be quite time-consuming to write, video makers may well look for freelancers to do this for them, which is where you come in. On sites like Fiverr, you can find freelancers offering to write video subtitles for a fee. Have a look at what other freelancers are charging for an idea of prices, and be sure to post rates that you think are fair but competitive. As a guideline, though, we've seen freelancers on Fiverr often starting their rates at £4.16 to write subtitles. Bonus: if you speak another language, this is even better as you can charge extra to translate videos on a freelance basis. Not to mention that it's bound to impress future employers. The fifth and final method on our list today, which is also my favorite, is promoting videos for companies online. As well as getting paid to watch videos, you could consider charging companies to promote their clips and ads online. Sponsored posts are a common way to make money for online influencers. While you don't necessarily need a huge online following to do this, it would help if you had a reasonable number of followers on social media or your own blog. Make sure to put in the work by growing your audience, because that's the most important part. The bigger your audience, the more you can charge companies to share their content. Of course, it's important to make sure the videos you're promoting are of good quality and relevant to your audience, as it could really impact your online brand if you share content that your followers don't engage with. Try reaching out directly to the influencer marketing departments of brands that you identify with and are interested in to discuss the possibility of working together on a sponsored video post. Or, particularly if you have a smaller online following, you could always use freelance sites like Fiverr to find companies who would be happy to pay you a little fee to share their video content online. But if you do get paid to share a promotional post online, remember that you must clearly state that it is an advert or sponsored post. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.